Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Honda CRV side mirror. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful process. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to safely detaching the mirror assembly. You'll gain the confidence to tackle this repair yourself, saving time and money. Let's get started and make this task simple for you. First, ensure you have the right tools. A flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool are essential. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. This reveals the wiring harness connected to your side mirror. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector, which powers the mirror's adjustments and heating elements. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or wires during this initial stage. Now, focus on the mirror's mounting points. Inside the door frame, you will find 3 nuts that secure the mirror assembly. Use a socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these nuts. As you remove the last nut, be sure to support the mirror with one hand to prevent it from falling. Once all fasteners are off, gently pull the entire mirror assembly straight away from the door. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps. Align the mirror assembly with the mounting holes and secure it with the 3 nuts, tightening them firmly but not excessively. Reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring a snug fit. Before replacing the door panel, test all mirror functions, including adjustment and heating, to confirm everything works correctly. Then, reattach the door panel. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.